Hi.
This is my car. I turned and it I ran into the well.
Alright, do you have your license, registration, proof?
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
And I feel so bad.
Now we're good right here. Thank you.
No, yeah, I feel so bad. I had my friends in the car and I feel so bad. And then I turned because I'm not going to lie to you, I wasn't paying attention.
Do you need medical attention?
No, I don't think you do. Wait, hold on.
Do you need medical?
Okay? I had her in my car and him. Are you okay?
No scratch, but... Do you need medical attention?
Yeah.
It's a bandage.
Yeah, no, I feel so bad. No, I feel so bad. Because I was turning and then I was like, hey, yeah. I looked at her and I was like, hey, there's something and then
okay.
I turned to the car. I feel so bad. You don't know. I feel so bad. No, here's my license.
Downgraded to a 44 and break off fire. Hey, where are you guys coming from?
Coming from? I'm sorry, we were driving everywhere. And then I was like, okay, let's go to my house. And then, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Here's my, oh, sorry. I'm just freaking out right now.
718 Negative.
Just make sure it's my registration.
And which way were you guys coming down?
We were coming this way from the university.
So you guys were that way, right?
Yeah. We were going, this is east?
Eastbound University.
Yes, eastbound University.
And then turning north here on Locust.
And then I was gonna turn, then I was like, I turned and I was like, like I was laughing, I was like, cause she said something funny. And I was like, and then I was like, holy shit. And I was like, yeah, and then I turned into the, I guess I turned to the pole or something there. And I was like, oh my god.
11:32 Central. Can you show me out with the units on the...
Oh my god, and I feel so bad because I'm like, they're freaking out.
Alright, and I'm gonna ask you this because I could smell alcohol on you. How much did you have to drink?
I had 2, I'm not gonna lie to you, I had like...
2 shots?
Yes.
2 shots of what?
It was, I don't know, like Pear Bay and then like 1 shot of like vodka and then 1 shot of like Pear Bay and then like...
Alright, and how long ago did you have your last drink?
What time is it?
It's almost midnight right now.
Midnight? Okay, so I had my... I could not tell you, because I was just...
Well, it's too late right now.
11:30?
So, we argue not to tow your vehicle, it doesn't look drivable?
Yeah, it's like, it's dead. It's dead. Dead ass.
Alright, so you can't find the ID, or?
No.
Alright, let's just work on the ID for now.
I'm sorry.
Are there any open containers in the car?
No. It's just like I turned... Hold on, I'm sorry, I'm just like, it all happened so fast.
I haven't called it yet, if you could just call one and then... This is Kochi. Alright, you can't...
I'm sorry, I'm just freaking out. Hold on. No, I usually have my registration here. I just cannot see. Can you put your phone?
Cool, let's just worry for now about the ID.
No, I have my ID or my... I'm just freaking out. I'm just freaking out. I'm shaking. I'm sorry. I feel so bad. I just feel so bad. Here's my fucking... I'm sorry.
Let's get out of the car.
My stereo's apart. My stereo's
apart. Just to go walk over there.
Yeah. My stereo's apart, and I was like, I usually keep it like in the dashboard. Right here. No, right here. Here's my insurance. I'm sorry. And then here's my...
Your registration is okay.
I usually keep my registration in
here. Just put everything back in here. We're going to walk over there and talk, okay? Just talk, okay? Just close the door and just walk that way, okay?
My car's gone.
Cool. That's a festive. Desiree, if I could talk to you over here. I just smelled the alcohol on your breath, alright? You did admit to drinking 2 shots, was it?
Yeah,
not sure how long it was.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Okay, so just because of circumstances, would you be willing to submit to some field sobriety tests just to make sure you were good to drive?
Like, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Like, if I need it, like, I need to do that, I will.
Yeah, just gonna turn off the overhead.
I'm just freaking out with my car right now. I don't know what I'm gonna say to, like, this shit. Okay, what do I need to do? I feel so bad. What else do you need to do? Because my registration is usually in like the black. Do you need my registration or like?
Negative, not yet.
Okay, I'll advise you.
You guys are not speaking to me and I'm freaking out.
So I'm just gonna do some quick testing, okay? So for now, I'm gonna test your eyes. Alright, so if you could do me a favor, just stand feet together. Just look at me. You're not wearing shoes. Where's your shoes? What happened to your shoes?
Shoes?
Do you have your shoes
no,
in the car?
No, I didn't. No, I don't.
You weren't wearing shoes? Okay.
I don't want to wear shoes.
Okay, cool. So for now, what I need you to do, you're gonna put your arms to your side. Alright? So with your eyes and your eyes only, don't move your head. I'm gonna need you to follow the tip of my pen. Okay?
Right here?
That's the tip, yes. Alright? Remember, don't move your head, alright?
Sorry, okay.
And don't look at the light either. Don't move your head. Do not move your head, just your eyes.
Can I blink?
You could blink, but you're moving your head.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Do not move your head. You're still moving your head.
Don't move my head?
Do not move your
Okay,
head.
so you want me to like be straight still, then just move my
and
eyes?
just move your eyes.
Okay.
Alright, let's start this again, okay? Good? Are you wearing contacts or anything?
No, I was just okay. Just
Okay.
eyes open only. Can I blink though?
You can still blink.
Okay. You're freaking me out. Okay, I'm
Alright.
sorry. I'm gonna do this.
Cool?
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay.
Remember, don't move your head.
How long does it usually last? I feel like we're going
We're
forever.
almost done.
I was like, damn.
Almost done.
I'm sorry. I hear my friend in the background.
Alright, now we're gonna go up. Still don't move your head, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna do another test, alright? So let's walk over here. We can use this line over here. Okay, so what I need you to do is place your left foot on that line, like that, and then put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, arms to your side. Alright, so just stay in this position until I tell you to begin the test, alright? So just listen to my instructions. Alright, so what you're gonna do is take 9 heel to toe steps on that line. You're gonna count out each step that you take, okay?
Like
And then-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Correct.
8, 9. Okay.
Alright? So it's going to look like this. I'm going to do 3 steps for demonstration purposes. You're going to do 9 steps. So just get back in that position I told you.
Sorry.
Alright, so it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around. And then you're going to go back on that line. 1, 2, 3. So I did 3 steps for demonstration purposes. You're going to do 9 steps, okay?
Okay.
And you may begin. Remember to count out.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait, what? To what?
As I instructed.
13, 14, 16. Do we go back?
Yep.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 27, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 36.
That's good. Alright, so now we're going to do another test, alright? So for this next test, just do me a favor, keep together, put your arms onto your side. Okay, for this next test, I'm going to need you to...
Sorry.
Just listen to me, alright? Let's just do the
I
test.
just never thought I'd be here.
That's fine. So for this next test, I'm going to need you to lift 1 foot of your choosing off the ground approximately 6 inches. You're going to keep the bottom of your foot parallel to the ground, like this. And you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay?
Sorry.
Do you understand the instructions I gave you?
You want me to go like this or something?
Okay, I'll explain it one more time.
Sorry.
You're good. Lift 1 foot of your choosing, either your left or right, 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep the bottom of your foot parallel to the ground.
Like this?
Correct. Then you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. You understand now?
It's on the line, right?
Just lift 1 foot of your choosing, 6 inches off the ground. Are you ready to start?
Down the line? Like this line?
You don't have to use the line.
I'm sorry.
You do not have to use the line.
I feel so bad right now.
Do you want to continue the test?
Yeah, no, I'll do it. So bad.
Are you ready to begin? Alright. And you may start now.
You want me to go like this and go like 1?
Correct.
And
Alright.
then 2.
No. Okay. I'm going to explain one more time.
Sorry,
Just
I
listen.
was just
Okay.
I feel so bad right now.
Alright, Desiree.
I'm sorry, wait, okay.
So, feet together, arms to your side, lift 1 foot of your choosing, 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep the bottom of your foot parallel to the ground. Alright, you're going to look at your foot the entire time and count 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop.
2006.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Alright, you may begin.
Like, this far up or like...
6 inches.
Okay. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006.
6 inches.
Okay, 6 inches. So like, that's it. It's like...
Alright, and you can turn around for me. Just look that way. It's okay. Just learn from your mistakes, okay? It's not the end of the road. Just put your hands behind your back, and we're gonna place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay?
Okay, but what?
That's fine. We'll explain everything just a little bit, okay? 15.
Yeah. Can you let me up?
Yeah. Can I eat something at the same time?
On how with paperwork?
What do you need transport? Because it was in a 44. Transport medical.
Oh yeah, typhoid bit. Alright, just walk with me this way. We're gonna walk to my unit over here, okay? This one right straight ahead, right in back of your car. And back to the side. I mean, they're adults. We could call for a ride or an Uber.
You're like, who gives a fuck?
But they'll be alright.
Yeah, okay, where am I gonna go though?
Okay, so how it's gonna work, just go ahead and have a seat.
Take a picture, send
your-
it to me. It's the worst part of my life, but like, yeah, take pictures and...
You do me a favor though? Can you go ahead and just step out real quick?
Let's get out there.
Oh, whatever. Whatever. I'm not gonna show my face though.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's fine. Just turn
We're
around.
just gonna take a picture of your arm because of it.
Yeah, take a picture of my arm. What?
Oh.
Is my arm not okay or what?
Is your head okay?
You alright?
No, yeah, you just freaked me out,
Alright,
dude.
hold on. Let me just take a quick picture.
What's happening though? Can you tell me what's happening or no?
Yeah, so go ahead and have a seat. I'll fill you in what's gonna happen. Okay, so what's gonna happen is we're gonna take you to our police station. Alright? I'm gonna read you something real quick. It's called the New Mexico Implied Consent Act, okay? It's gonna be for if you wanna submit to a breathalyzer. Do you have anything in your car that you need?
Are you videoing me right now? Because I'm like, I would really appreciate you.
We have to. Everything's
No,
body-
yeah,
on body.
not for like with the light and stuff.
No, those are flashlights.
I'm so good. And then, look.
So you're under arrest for DWI. Alright, so the New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional test, you have the right for a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, licensed nurse, or a laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid for by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test, our breathalyzer test? So if you do, then we get your sample. If you don't, then it's going to be an aggravated DWI, which could carry a higher penalty
Like
or a higher
sometimes
sentence.
they like you
But it's
suggest like me like just
I can't give you any legal advice. It's going to be completely up to you. Okay, so you're an adult, so you can make your own choices, right? Alright. So, I cannot force you to take our test. But if you refuse, you'll lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-residential papers.
Because let me, this is so funny. I'm fucking freaking out right now, dude.
Come back out. Let me put you back in that handcuff. Come back out real quick.
No, hold on.
Generally, they allow the handcuffs to be slightly loose so they don't hurt you. You just took them off.
Yes.
I'm sorry,
Just
but I
turn
was freaking out.
Do you have a wrist injury or no?
No. I don't
Sure.
know. You guys stop.
You
You guys...
can- Alright.
Okay, no. Go back to what you were telling me. So
Well,
I
yeah,
think
we'll
it's
go back
serious.
over it again. Just gotta put you back.
No,
in the
let me take whatever it needs to be so it's serious or
Cool.
whatever.
Yeah, so just turn around. Let me put that back on, alright?
But like, say my Miranda rights so serious.
Alright, put
Be like, does it
so your wrist that way. Other way.
Feel like you're under arrest, so
Put your wrist the other way. I don't want to hurt you. There you go.
feel like you're under arrest. But like,
Well, you
say
are.
that.
You are under arrest here.
But can you say like the Miranda rights?
You want to be read your Miranda rights?
Yeah, because I think that's like common.
It doesn't apply for a DWI.
I know, but I think it's like my rights, you know what I mean?
I mean, if you're
But anyways, you already handcuffed me. Whatever.
yeah, so go ahead and have a seat.
Don't take off the handcuffs.
So do you want to submit to the breath test? Yes or no?
You said that it's better if I do, so I will.
So you're an adult, you make your own decisions. I can't give you legal advice, but if you want to, then perfect. All right. So what's gonna happen? We'll get you over to our police station so we could take that test. We're gonna have to take you to the hospital because you were in a car accident. So we're just gonna get you medically cleared and all that. And this is
Okay, okay. Whatever. I wasn't like, are my friends okay though?
Yeah,
like,
your friends.
Where are they at?
They're right over there. They're
Like,
probably,
let me see.
if I let you see, or
You can do whatever you want to. It's cool, they're okay.
Right there.
they're fine.
Well, make sure they have a ride home or whatever.
Yeah,
Like,
Let's go, Desiree. We're gonna take you to our police station. All right. Part of the test, I just need to make sure you're not chewing any gum.
where's
you
my
have no-
fun though? No, I don't have any gum.
All right. Can you just open your mouth so I can just verify that?
But like, make sure. Okay.
Yeah.
I just need this for the token.
Okay. Cool.
There's another shooter in the floorboard on the driver's side.
Okay.
349 if you want some pictures of that or whatever.
Gotcha.
And a green bag with like a big Smirnoff, empty shot glass, another
passenger, the male passenger was in the front seat. She was kind of driving erratically, pretty reckless, going up University, headed up, made this complete turn out of nowhere.
So yeah, I'll take care of the crash report, all the DWI people working on that.
Paperwork.
Okay, if you could just wait for the tow truck, calls, if the call volume allows, would you be able to get her cleared at the hospital?
Oh, yeah, I can take it.
Okay, so we're just gonna go to the station, get the test done, and then
Yep.
we'll wait and with you there.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll be here.
Alright, cool, appreciate you.
And then I let them know that the...
Try to step out, watch your step.
Probably shouldn't have worn shoes. That's kind of embarrassing.
Careful, don't fall.
Where'd I go?
We're gonna go to that door. What?
Like when you get the handcuffs.
So what I'll do, I'll take the handcuffs off. I'm just gonna put you in that handcuff right there.
Right?
Only one hand.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry.
Only because you've been in a car accident and don't want.
Officer
So
Hughes,
just
right?
Correct.
What's wrong? That's so funny.
Why is that funny?
I don't think you Rodriguez.
Why would he be Rodriguez?
Not so obvious. Where are you
I'm
from?
not seeing it.
El Paso.
Why is it from El Paso? Are you not from San Juan?
Say again?
Why is it from El Paso?
Alright, have a seat here.